Greetings everyone, I am Krish Singh and today I am present here in front of you all to present a small presentation on Biosphere Class 9. Teacher in charge Mrs. Nidhi Sharma ma'am. Name of this activity is Biosphere from the chapter Natural Resources. Subject is Biology Science. Here's a small acknowledgement. I, Krish Singh, have made this project under the supervision of our biology teacher, Mrs. Nidhi ma'am, and I would like to thank her and our school management for helping us learn so many new things through these projects. Now let's start with the main topic of today, that is biosphere. A biosphere is a place where atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere interact. Let's see some points on biosphere. The biosphere is any place on Earth's surface which is occupied by living organisms. Biosphere is made up of Earth's crust and atmosphere, and it can be divided into three physical divisions that are lithosphere means land, hydrosphere means water, and atmosphere means air. Here's the image of biosphere. So now let's understand them all in detail. First, lithosphere meaning land. Lithosphere is one of the physical division of biosphere, which means land. The outermost layer of the Earth's crust is included in lithosphere. Now let's understand hydrosphere means water. Hydrosphere is one of the physical division of biosphere, which means water. Water is one of the most essential resource for our survival, and around 75% of the earth is covered with water. Now let's see atmosphere means air. Atmosphere is one of that physical division of biosphere, which means air. The atmosphere contains different gases along with water vapor. Atmosphere is one of the three physical factors of biosphere. Here are again some points on biosphere. Biosphere has two components, biotic component and abiotic component. Biotic and abiotic components provide resources. Resources are requirement to meet basic needs, and energy is obtained from sun. This presentation has been completed with lots of hard work and persistence of Krish Singh of class 9. Hope you all liked our presentation. Thank you.